All right, to start with, the best way to begin this is to start from our form category science section in resources. These have been pinned for us, and I just posted the latest DSC MEG Navigation workbook, which is what we need to start with first. So we'll bring that up, and we need to make a copy of this. So we will start by make a copy. Because we can't do anything with their original. So now that we've made a copy, we can actually make changes now to this document. All right, we'll go back to our resource and we're going to open up our spreadsheet. And by the way, this is Google Chrome that I'm using for my browser. Then we'll also make a copy of this. You only have to do this once. And then from here on out, you will be able to make changes. All right, we're going to move this down here. All right, so our navigation, we will choose randomly here. Let's say Clio. And what we're going to do, just for the purposes of this demonstration, we're going to use this cave N66. So in a user-defined location, we have the various points that we can select. And we'll assume that you have the orbital markers, and we will duplicate this location. If you decide to try this first before you have your orbital marker information, just to experiment with these two spreadsheets, what you need to do is make sure that you do a paste values only. Because if you copy this cell to that cell, it will destroy the formula. So then we're going to go OM3. We're going to do OM5. We're going to do, say, OM6. See this lit up, but it's not correct yet. We need one more point. And now with those points, you can see that these all align, these numbers align. It calculated all the rest of the orbital marker distances and the location, the height, everything that you need here. I will say one thing, that when you enter the data, you probably should use one of OM1 or 2, 3 or 4, 5 or 6, because those are the axis through the planet. So you should get one from all 3 of those pairs, and then an additional one. All right, so now that we have that, which is this cave location, we look down through here, scroll to the right, and you will see latitude, longitude, and they match these 2 locations here. So that's what we need for our spreadsheet. In degrees, so we just do a copy of these 2 locations. And then on our worksheet, you go to OMGS calculation, and you find the planet. Here, Clio, and here's where you enter a latitude and longitude in these 2 cells. And if we paste again, paste special values only, there's your instruction set right there. that should get you right back to that location, and that's all you need to do. Now, as far as the 3OM navigation, it's not in this particular sheet. You would have to generate that on your own. That's it. You go in, simply type in your points. Now, this worksheet's a little wonky, I think, because if you go and choose another location, right, it kept some of this data, but it's not right. So I don't know why they don't clear this for each location, but you would go back in and start entering this data for this particular location. It would update and give you your latitude, longitude, those two copy into our spreadsheet for wherever you are, and just do a paste and you'll get your instructions. All right, that's it. Easy.